Hi, this is a demonstration on how to use Qxchange to transfer data from QuickBooks to QuickBooks. Let's click on Qxchange. What you need to do is give it a name. Let's call it QBtoQB, QB9. What about QB2QB? It doesn't matter what the name is. So it's QB. QB to QB8. Okay. Once that's done, with QuickBooks, you have to have the source file open. So let's close this and open the source file, which I should have done first. Okay, let's. You always make sure that, always make sure that the QuickBooks has all the forms, so it's in this condition. So it's all looking at the home page. Okay, we have that open. So let's do the drop down. Choose QuickBooks. It's going to ask you. You'll see it. You can go in the background like this, and you have to click yes always, and click that. Allow. Okay, once that's done, let's go. We have to pick a file. So let's pick an easy file. Let's pick the customer. Okay, it's going to accept. I've already transferred some data over before, so it should really only add one. But I'll show it. Okay, so now this is very important. You've got to close the source file, close the company. Then you have to open up the target company. Okay, it's opening up the target company. Same thing. We want to get it in the state that everything is open. Excuse me. Okay, so now what we're going to do is same thing. Again, we're going to pick customer. Okay. Okay. And now, as you can see, you got the customer. Here's all the fields. But we have to make sure that we close. This is very important that we close this company. Okay, now that that's closed, they're both closed. Okay, now the target, this is the target customer. There's the red ones are, you can't touch those. The green ones are required. So let's do the one required field. And then let's maybe take the first name. The ones in black, so the ones in green are the required, the ones in black are optional basically. So what we're going to do is we're going to take first name, last name. Okay, that should be good enough. And what we're going to do now is we're going to run the transfer. It wants to save that name, so it's QBtoQBA. We'll remember that. It opens the source and then it goes ahead and opens. So it extracted 5 records. There was 4 records already in there. So it's now connecting and loading it. And it inserted 1 record, exactly what we wanted to do. So that's pretty much just a rundown on how to do that, and it's partially transferred. So, some of the good things that you could use this for is if you were converting, you can convert master files very easily, but if you want to convert, say, invoices, there's also a lot of filtering that you can do. So you can perhaps say, okay, only if you were doing a conversion from QuickBooks to QuickBooks and you only wanted to take the open invoices after you got all the master files in, that would be a good way to get only the open invoices so your agings would match. So, okay, well, thank you very much. Bye.